Hey guys, just a short little video for those teachers that love using Google Classroom, and especially for those that like to add or change the banners to something that is a little bit more creative or maybe a little bit more functional or purposeful. You know how they used to have that darkened tone behind whatever image you'd put on the banner? So they've removed that now, which is great in a recent update, so that now you're not encumbered by having that sort of darkened image at the back. You can now use that to put information on the banner, or just have a far more interesting or appealing graphic on there. Also, you might notice a few other little visual changes, like the Google Meet button has moved and it's become an actual button as opposed to just a long link that looked unattractive. So that's good, a nice visual improvement. And also the customize button for the banner has also moved, and it's a little bit different now too. Not a big thing, but hey, I should mention that it's there. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.